got some of this tight bond glue. So what I did was I put a little bit on these dowels, put a little bit in the holes. I jamming them in there. I'm trying not to break them all. Nails. Got my brad nailer, got my 2-inch nails in here. I'm going to add a couple to each side. That way to hold that thing together when that glue dries. This thing should not move at all. Got my glasses for my eyeball safety. Good to go. I cut out this piece right here. This is the circumference of the outside edge of my router. Okay, so I'm going to run my router on the inside of this thing, try to make a nice circle. If it's not perfect, I can clean it up a little bit with some sandpaper, okay? So I'm going to run my router. Minwax stainable wood filler. So what I did was took a spatula, put some of that stuff in there. I'll let it build up, let it fill in all those uneven spots, and then I'll sand it down with my palm sander. Alright, so I got my gears. These things, I just painted them. They're like a bronze color. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some adhesive. I'm going to put some adhesive on the back of these, and then I'm going to inlay right inside of my stools right here and let them sit overnight. So this epoxy that I'm using is 1-for-1. So it's got a hardener and it's got a hardener and then the epoxy. So it's whatever you put in for one, you put in the exact same for the other. Is you take a torch, you run that thing over the over your epoxy like 4 or 5 inches above it, and that sucks basically all the air bubbles out. You can do that a couple times. Usually things said wait 15 minutes. So I'll wait 15 minutes after I pour, put that on there, and it sucks the bubbles out. It actually worked great on the blue I did last night. This from a project before. This is Minwax Poly Shade. It's stain and polyurethane in one step. So espresso, so it's pretty dark. I'm going to use this for the top of my seat, and I'll do natural on the legs, and the actual rim where you put your feet, I'm going to actually do something different. So I'm going to start staining. Couple coats of stain, dark espresso. This is my second coat. I'm gonna wipe it off a little bit and see how dark it gets. If it's not dark enough for me, I hit it again, and I keep hitting it again, and I hit it again, and I hit it again until I get the color that I want, baby. Once I get so before we epoxy, I'm gonna make sure this thing's level, so I'm almost perfect. Almost perfect. Alright, so this epoxy is 1 part hardener or 1 part epoxy. So even Steven. So it tells you to mix it up, scrape the sides. I'm using clear. So I'm scraping my sides, and now I'm gonna put this into a different container and use a new stick is what the directions say. So that's what I will be doing in a second. Thanks for watching Johnny Works. I hope you guys enjoyed my epoxy gear stools. Any questions you have that I didn't answer during the video, leave them in the comment section and I'll answer them all. Please like and subscribe. Conor McGregor.